Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about an incident that took place in Spanish Town surrounding a police officer who came under attack. I'm going to show you how the whole call the police argument don't even hold true when it's the police themselves that come under attack. I'm also going to be touching on the whole, quote unquote, indisciplined pitney. Right. Another video going around teacher and student, right, from a prominent high school. I gotta address it because based on some things I see, many Irish citizens are saying, I have to laugh. But before I'm going further, we have a Patreon birthday shout out. Today is the 19th birthday of David Lawrence, the son of Ainsworth, a long-time Patreon member. Right, so David, your father make me know say, him love you, him proud of you, him love the hard work we are putting so far, long may it continue. Right, him proud to call himself your father. The whole family love you and respect the work we are do as a young youth so far. So David, keep it up. See, nowadays I don't know, we're having all kind of problems with our young people, right, and you're going to hear about some of it in this same video. So we got in time here people talk about, right, them teenagers, them young people, them youth, them children like this. So David, big up yourself, enjoy your day to the max. See? So make we get back to the video. So make we start off with Spanish Town. We see the story in the papers surrounding a policeman, right, who came under attack. So let me say, papers me see it, so we have to just take it at face value. But according to the article, policeman are closing in business, right, and was getting ready to go in the yard. So it sound like say one of them business places to either get in the yard or close by. So I shut down now and I get ready to go home. He was attacked by some 87s. One of them was carrying a shotgun. A shotgun with a light strapped to it. I know you say you actually have them kind of kit or make you attach light to your weapons, but 87s just save themselves the money and just tape it onto it. The policeman, after being vigilant and realizing what was about to happen, pulled field weapon, start to engage the 87s them. One of them get shot in the face, end up in the hospital. Right? At first man take with themself and try to escape, but say when they get shot in something like your face, you can't exactly sleep it off. So the youth who come to rob or kill or whatever was his goal, end up find himself in the hospital, right? Whole of him face mash up. Right, him quote unquote bridging, who knows them there right now. But this is what I want to understand. The people them who say, call the police. May I ask you a question now? If that is actually the best method to protect life and protect your family, protect your property, why the police don't call the police? This is a policeman. When he realized what was about to happen, why him never call the police? I mean, he may actually have a direct number to him squaddy them. But it's not like a civilian is either going to call 119 or they might call them local police station and explain what going on. This policeman would have him police bridging them number. Direct call. Why him never call the police? I'll tell you why. Because that's not how it works in real life. 87s are run towards you with shotgun. You don't get no time to call the police. You don't get no time to call nobody. You better make sure say you have the means to defend yourself, or you're as fast as Usain Bolt mixed with a cheetah. Because that's what you're going to need to run faster than gunshot. Call the police. Even police don't call the police. One of the first things every police officer do is apply for them licensed firearm. Because they know how things work in the real world. So when people tell us say, you don't need that, what you do with that? Just call the police. Ask them. Then if I psycho, why even the police don't call the police? So I'm not going to dwell upon it too long because I think when you get the point. We can move on to the youths then. The Irish youths. Children. The future of Jamaica. You see, video go around, some children, some students, right, a test, right, a teacher. That's all I can say. I must test them and test the teacher them. Right. At a prominent high school, I'm not even going to play the video. It's a circus. In the video, right, the first one I see, a female student and a female teacher. Right, then you see one next video, and I mean there's a longer version, but when the video drop on social media, I see outrage. People that say, them pitney her, now the manners. Them pitney her in discipline. Them pitney her this, and them pitney her that. This is what I have to say about the matter. Them quote unquote nowadays pitney her are a direct reflection of nowadays Jamaica. Let me say that one more time. Them nowadays pitney her are a reflection of nowadays Jamaica. Every time something like this come out, Irie citizens act like them don't know what they must see. By their fruits, you shall know them. And right now the fruits them bitter. People don't like the taste of the fruits, and everybody are going like say, are the fruits produced itself. What's the matter, Irie? Are you ashamed of your productions? You see, I agree with everything that people say. Yes, them disrespectful. Yes, them bad in on the manners. Whatever you can think about, I agree wholeheartedly. Right? There's not much to debate this. But what make me scratch my head is when people go and know where it come from. First things first, the Irie public, who for years have been slowly stripping away the authority of teachers, are now saying teachers will do this and teachers will do that. Even in the same video, I see people that say, then she really stand up there and make sure I do that, or should have me? What do you mean I should have you? I don't understand. What do you want them teachers to do? Because it's a case of damn if you do and damn if you don't. These teachers cannot talk to when they pick them. These teachers surely cannot put them hands on the pick them. So what do you want them do? This teacher is dealing with a student who is younger than her, right? Probably even stronger than her, right? And not only that, push come to shove, will call her parents or call her friend them or whoever to come help her beat the teacher. That's the reality for many teachers in Jamaican schools. Time and time again we see it. Parents go to school, beat up and stab up teacher, beat up and stab up Gardy. People act like we don't know how we got here. People say, the Irie youths them are indisciplined. So I ask you now, the Irie adults them disciplined? The Irie youths them right now no behavior. The Irie adults them are behavior. Everything only can say about these youths, right, only can also say about the people them who have them and I raise them. And I know say, people that get up say, you can't say that, you can't say that when you can't say that. Of course I can't say that. When the Jamaican youths think them could have size up with teacher. You see, people say, where are the parents? I think you mean, where is the parent? Most Jamaican youths are not raised with no parents. You see, what enough Irie people want to do is stand up by the podium and only claim the winners. You see, when time you see them video, the first question me ask myself is, you know what kind of home that they pick they go home to? Because they might do this on camera. You think Pitney are going to do something like this on camera? If them think say there was any kind of serious consequences waiting for them at them yard when time people see how they might treat them teachers? Can't be. Pitney used to hide and bad. Now them even record it and share it. And I'm telling you how me look on life. How me must have Pitney. We send go school. They on camera, a terrorized teacher. Get it recorded, a laugh and a joke and a skin teeth. Do you know what I would think to myself? This Pitney take me for a fool. This Pitney thinks I'm Papi show. Because if you look on camera or do that, knowing say it's highly likely me go see it, then that means say you think you come home to a yard, right, that is run like a dolly house. You can't take that yard serious. Or you must take my yard serious. Or you must take household serious. When you're there at school on camera, a terrorized teacher. Yeah. That means say, in the back of your mind, subconsciously you think say even if this come out not much not gonna happen. I wish I pitney would. So when time I see this, right, the first question I ask, who then go home to? See, this is what I realize about no people's mindset. When it's time for make the pitney, right, they are individuals. You can't tell me what to do. Right, and my body, we can do what I want to do. Right. That's correct. That's true. But here's the thing. After the child is born, suddenly they are no longer individuals. Suddenly, it's a group effort. Suddenly, the group now must share the responsibility, even though the group has no say in the choice. And if not listen to me. If the group say, don't make the picnic up on the road this time of day, don't dress the picnic like that, don't make the picnic listen to that, don't make the picnic go over your so you say you chat too much and you're a picnic mind your business. But if you want exclusive rights in raising your child, and nobody can tell you how to raise your child, then you should accept all the responsibility when the child grows up to become a menace to society. When the child becomes a delinquent, it's all on you. You cannot get choice without responsibility, but you can't plant mango seed and expect apple tree to grow. You can't plant coconut and expect banana tree to grow. That's what people want. People want Jamaican youths to be something that Jamaican adults are not. Direct reflection of the culture. You celebrate jester, clown, circus culture, so they pick them unit jester, circus, clown culture. When they celebrate bad man and bad girl culture, so they pick them a bad man and bad girl. Right? When they celebrate degeneracy, so they pick them a degenerates. We don't want to consume and dibble and dabble, right, in the acidity. And then think, so the children, right, that come from us are going to be any different. Man, cut the crap. Don't be upset with your reflection. Don't be upset with the fruits. Because as I say, by the fruits, we shall know them. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, when I don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Best.